Hello, everyone, and Merry Christmas from the stunning Patong Beach, Phuket. Today, we're soaking in the festive vibes and golden hour magic under amazing weather conditions. The sky has a touch of clouds, adding character to the beautiful horizon. Big waves are rolling onto the shore, making the scene even more spectacular. The ocean is alive with activity. Jet skis are racing across the waters, offering excitement for thrill seekers. Temperatures today are just right for enjoying Christmas in paradise. The air temperature is a warm 30 degrees Celsius, or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The sea temperature is a delightful 28 degrees Celsius, or 82 degrees Fahrenheit. And as the sun sets, the festive spirit carries on. Join us for our daily live stream from Bangla Walking Street, where the nightlife comes alive with music, lights, and celebrations like no other. It's the perfect way to end a tropical Christmas day. If you've enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with us. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and unforgettable moments from Phuket.